God is saying to you today, you are entering a new season where everything will start to go your way. It's time you had enough lessons. You did the work. You overcome so much. You believed even when it was hard to. You never gave up. You pushed through it all. Now it's your time to receive my blessings in a major way. God will restore everything you lost. You will recover. You will bounce back. Better days are coming. Blessings are coming your way. What's about to happen next will cause you to rejoice. God is up to something incredible. You have a miracle coming into your life soon. If you are reading this, expect right on time miracles. It's your time to be successful. You are being rewarded for your positive thoughts, feelings, and actions. You deserve all the good things coming to you and your family. The universe is saying to you today, it's time to get excited again. I am going to surprise you. Unexpected blessings are coming your way. Let go of the stress and trust me. I am going to rock your world. Get ready. God says, I understand that life has been full of ups and downs. Do not fear, however, because I am your God. Wherever you go, I will be there. I love you. Dear God, when trouble surrounds me, I do not fear. I have faith that you are always by my side. Your spirit brings me comfort. Your word fills me with hope. Thank you for your peace and guidance. In you I trust forevermore. God says, stand up. You are a warrior. You have a spirit of power. You will get through your pain. You are not alone. You have me by your side. I am all you need. Stay in the battle. I love you. God is saying to you today, I know you are going through a difficult time in your life right now, and you are dealing with multiple circumstances and a lot of emotional pain. It seems as though before you can get through one thing, another thing happens. I don't always still the storm around you. Sometimes I still the storm raging in you. Do not faint. I am strengthening you, areas that you cannot see right now. You and I will get through this together, like we always do. Everything will be alright. God is saying to you today, You are going to be telling a different story really soon. One of healing, success, health, abundance, prosperity, love, happiness, peace, and great joy. You are going to be stronger, wiser, and full of life, sharing all your blessings and passing along the wisdom you are receiving. God says, it is time to see things differently. You did not have a bad day. You just had a bad hour. You did not fail in life. You just failed in one area of your life. There is so much more about you than the things you feel or accomplish. You are courageous. I love you. God says, I will bless you with abundance, but as you receive His financial blessings, you must also remember to give back. You can raise your standard of living, but you must also raise your standard of giving. Share my blessings with others. I love you. God says, I understand how you feel. I understand that life might be not going the way you wanted, but put your trust in me and I will make your path straight. I love you. Look around you and notice all the things you once prayed for. Some of your prayers have been answered, and many more blessings are on the way. Have faith in your manifestations. The angels are saying to you today, get out of your head and into your heart. Just because something doesn't make logical sense doesn't mean it isn't real or that you shouldn't trust your gut instinct about it. Open up to love and miracle right now. Showing up for yourself every single day in a big way is what will bring them into being. You've got this.